In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your PowerPoint presentations using Chatgpt. Whether you're a student looking to captivate your class, or a professional aiming to impress at the next team meeting, this guide will revolutionize the way you approach presentations. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. We'll start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint, which is where you'll be bringing your presentation to life. If you haven't already, launch the application from your computer. Once it's open, you'll be prompted with different templates, but for this tutorial we're going to start with a clean slate, so go ahead and select Create a Blank Presentation. This gives us a blank canvas to work with, ensuring your presentation is as original as the ideas you're going to incorporate. Next, let's blend in the power of AI with our presentation. Open your web browser and navigate to the Chatgpt website. This innovative tool will serve as your brainstorming partner, content creator, and even your editor. Chatgpt is designed to understand natural language, making it incredibly user-friendly. Once you're on the Chatgpt site, it's time to communicate your ideas. Type in the topic of your presentation. Be as specific as possible to get the most relevant content. For instance, if you're creating a presentation on climate change, you might type in, generate an outline for a presentation on the impacts of climate change. Within moments, Chatgpt will work its magic and provide you with a structured outline, or even content that you can use in your slides. After you've gathered your AI-generated content, it's time to head back to your PowerPoint presentation. Now, with the insights and information provided by Chatgpt, begin to add new slides to your presentation. PowerPoint allows you to insert slides that can vary in layout and design, so choose the ones that best match the information you're presenting. As you start populating your slides with the content generated by Chatgpt, remember the key to a powerful presentation lies not just in the information, but also in its presentation. Start adding topics to each section of your presentation and design it in a way that's visually appealing and easy to understand. PowerPoint offers a range of design themes and tools to help you with this. You can change backgrounds, choose color schemes, and even insert elements like images or graphs directly into your slides to make your content stand out. When designing your presentation, consider using bullet points for clarity, implementing high-quality images related to your content, and breaking down complex ideas into simple, digestible slides. Tools like SmartArt can help visualize processes or hierarchies, while transition effects between slides can keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Remember, the goal here is not just to inform, but to engage and impress your audience. With the content seamlessly integrated into your PowerPoint slides, you're nearly ready to present. Take a moment to review your presentation, practice your speech, and familiarize yourself with the flow of information. Here are a few additional tips before you step into the spotlight. Familiarize yourself with the presenter view in PowerPoint. This handy feature allows you to see your speaker notes, view what's coming next, and keep track of time without your audience seeing. Secondly, always have a backup of your presentation saved on a USB drive or accessible online. And lastly, engage with your audience, make eye contact, and encourage questions to make your presentation a two-way conversation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on leveraging the capabilities of Chatgpt to create captivating PowerPoint presentations. By combining the analytical prowess of AI with your unique touch and design skills in PowerPoint, you're well on your way to delivering presentations that are not only informative but also engaging and memorable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you create presentations that not only convey your message but also capture the imagination of your audience. Happy presenting!